A herbivore is an animal whose main food sources are plants. Animals like koalas, gorillas, buffaloes and giraffes are all examples of herbivores. Plants in general are quite hard to digest and get nutrients from, but many herbivores have digestive systems that can cope with this. Plants are high in fibre and starch, and this is what gives herbivores their energy. Herbivores can be further classified into 4 groups. Frugivores, which are fruit eaters, granivores, which are seed eaters, Nectivores, which are nectar feeders, and finally folivores, which are leaf eaters. Omnivores are animals that can either eat plants or another animal. Omnivores generally have a wide range of food sources. On the whole, they do not graze like many herbivores do, or hunt down large prey like many carnivores do. An example of an omnivore might be a grizzly bear, who has both berries and fish in its diet. Another example would be an ostrich, who has many small creatures in its diet, like lizards, but also eats nuts, seeds and plants.